Oh, fuck yeah. I ain't cut any steel yet because, well, I was making birch not on steel. So, this grinder was a 4.5-inch grinder, and I bought or misordered or drunk. Well, there's beer involved, so this is a 5-inch. So, the guard on it was, guess what? 1/2 inch fucking smaller. So I made a new guard. Maybe I should throw the fucking guard away. It's silly. So I got the guard on there, and the cutoff wheel. Motherfucker. So, again, little things like making sure there's no nutritional deficiency. Come on. That you have plenty of omega-3 fatty acids coming in. Get that. Alright, there. Yeah, that was outside. See, it fits right there. It fits. So, I have a new guard or something. I don't know what to fucking do. I got like one hand to do this shit. That's so fucking wrong. That was so backwards. I put it on backwards. I'm fucking stupid. I didn't put it on backwards. I put it reverse, backwards. I put the guard at the front, which should be at the back, but you should have guards on both sides.